Welcome back. It's time for another skincare stash update, and I'm sorry if it is kind of dark. This is, German winter. I'm filming this right around the winter solstice, so we don't really have much light and it's overcast and rainy, so yeah. That's why it's dark. But this is going to be a short video because I don't have much to show you. Just a few favorites that I stocked up on during the crazy sale phase that we just passed, only to enter some kind of new crazy sale phase. This is when I usually stock up on expensive skincare that I love and that lasts me through the year. And the first one I got is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair, the kind of bigger bottle. That's a 50 milliliter, there's also a 30 milliliter, then I think a 10, and then a 100 milliliter. And this is really expensive, but I've been loving it for many years. And I do have another one that I like nearly as much. I won't say dupe because it's not like they have the same ingredients, but they're just similar things for my skin. But yeah, I will see which one I'll lean to more. Until then, this one will last me another year. Then I have hair care. The first one is the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask that I only discovered in 2024, but I have a small size like the 15 milliliter that is running low, and I decided after using it for almost half a year now that the improvement that I see in especially in my length, is worth investing in the full size, but that investing during the sales doesn't hurt my wallet as much. So there you go, the bigger size of K18. And then more hair stuff, almost exclusively hair stuff, the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, the smaller version. There is another bigger version, but one of these 100 milliliters lasts me around a year with the frequency of which I use it. And I had the bigger one, which is obviously better value for money, but it gets so gross after being kept in the bathroom for a year. I simply couldn't stand it. So I use this one, but if you have thicker hair than mine, like my hair is very fine, so if you need more, the bigger size is the better value for money. Another one from Olaplex, this is the number 7 Olaplex Bonding Oil. I use this one after washing my hair and before I blow dry or do any other kind of heat styling. It is beautiful, it is gorgeous, it is lightweight, but I do not use it every day because I don't know, it's so expensive that I can't bring myself to do it. So for every dye I have the Garnier Fructis Multi-Use Wonder Oil. Again, one that you have seen me talk about quite a few times already. Been using this for years. It claims to have different oils in there, different plant oils, but I guess it's mainly the silicones that deliver the smoothing effect. And I use this one daily before brushing my hair to reduce friction, and this one after wash because that one doesn't hurt as much price-wise, even though that's okay if you get it on sale. And that's that. It's not the last video I'm going to upload this year. I have another one coming, my end of year empty, so stay tuned for that, and I'm going to see you all very soon.